Looking to See, A Hike in Nature. Written and filmed by Lauren C. Johnson. Are you ready? Today is the day we go hiking. Let's get on the way. Now our hike is different. We walk a turtle pace, making sure to see everything. Hiking is not a race. First, we look up. What do you see? I see many shapes hiding in the trees. Can you find the shapes? What shapes do you see? I see triangles and circles and stars and squares. Keep finding more shapes. Now it's your turn to share. Can you find 2 triangles? Can you find 3 rectangles? Now what sense did you use finding shapes in natures? Did you hear them? Did you smell them? That's right. We used our eyes, or our sense of sight, helped us find many shapes hiding in the trees. What else do you think we will find on our hike? Let's make a turn on the trail and find other sights. Sometimes while hiking, turtle pace can be too fast. When we move, even slowly, animals will move out of sight. So let's take a moment and sit right here. Let's use our observation skills. You have become a good sightseer. Our first sight of water. Who could use a drink? What animals might come here? Let's take a moment to think. What's that you say? You saw a bee? Do you think bees need water? Anything else that bees need? Bees need flowers. Flowers need bees. How does the bee help the flower? And the flower help the bee? Bees are pollinators. They help flowers grow, collecting the pollen and spreading it as they go. Can you think of other animals that help flowers grow? What's that you say? What's that you see? Butterflies are pollinators, just like bees. They fly from flower to flower. Bees and butterflies are just what flowers need. Let's look at the flowers. Azalea is its name. What colors do you see? Can you find more than 3? I see orange and red and maybe a yellow. And don't forget the leaves. They are green. Our hike is almost over. We came and we saw by looking in nature, admiring in awe. Now it's your turn to go outside on a hike. What other senses can you use? I hope you find great sight.